In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to change folder color in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now, first things first, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. Okay? The moment you've opened it, you need to proceed on the search bar and type for folder ICO or folder ICO. Once done typing, click on the entry key and choose for the Microsoft.com website. Click on that link and you would be navigated to this page. So there you can see download option, click on it. Or you can also view it in store and you can download it there at the Microsoft Store application itself. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once done, you need to install it in your PC. And once you have installed it, you can now proceed to the changing of the folder. The changing of the folder color. So I have here a sample three folders to completely show you how to use it. So all you need to do is you need to select that folder, make a right click, and then you need to navigate with the show more options. Click on that one. Once you do it, you would be able to say change folder icon. There you can see any colors. If you would like to go with red, green, blue, orange, azure, or the azure, pink, violet, white, black, gray, brown, lemon. Okay, so you can also go with the more icons. So let's say, for example, you would like to set orange. In a few moments, you would be able to change this folder color into orange. You can see that one. So here at the second file folder, you just have to do the same, make a right click, go with show more options. Okay. And by that, you need to go with change folder icon. And let's say we would like to go with this red this time. So by that, in a few moments, it would be applied here in the second file folder. See that one? So at the last folder that I have, you just have to go with show more options, go with change folder icon, and there you have that violet this time, and there you have that you would be able to set the file folder into the color of violet. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.